Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Welcome. Good to see everybody back. Maggie, good morning. Marcin, good morning. And Yannick is here. Good morning, Yannick. What's going on? What is going on? Naomi's here. Welcome, Naomi. Hope everybody had a great weekend. All right. Ariane, hey, what's up? All right. So, we're gonna have a. Do we have some bank holidays this week? Let's get it straight. Red, welcome. Good morning. Good morning. What is going on? Yono, Beanie Player. So good to see everybody back. What's up? What's up? All right. It's great. Okay. Okay. So, do we have a bank holiday this week? I don't even know. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, no bank holiday. All right. And let's see what happened. So this was Friday here. We had a decent Sunday open, just sideways action. And no major news in the London session right now. Manufacturing PMI numbers at 10 a.m. today, so that's it. This is the 5-minute chart. We have a new day opening gap, a little bit higher at 91. We broke the 21K. I guess we have to look some higher levels. Some higher levels. All right. 4-hour chart, just for a glimpse here. Interesting. On the 4-hour chart, look at this. I'm not trading trend lines, but look at all these higher lows, you know, along the way on the 4-hour chart. Quite interesting. Here, here, here. All right, this one's been swept, but still, you know, interesting levels. So I'm not saying it will go there right now, but Sam, hey there, looking pro, absolutely, absolutely looking fresh. Farhad, what's up, what's up? Raphael, hey. Happy December, yeah. Let's finish the year strong. I agree with profits and payouts. Maybe we'll, yeah. Lottery numbers. If someone knows the lottery numbers, let me know. Okay. 1-hour chart. No significant Asia highs or lows here. Actually, we just picked up a low right now. So it's really just consolidating. What's the range? On average, oh my god, 20 points. It's bad. The range is just very bad. We have to look for higher time frames for valid targets. Friday high. Friday high would be a possible level. Fair value gap has been taken on the 1-hour here. There's one more down there. I'm just gonna put a marker right here. Okay. 1-hour busy. You know, just the usual stuff. Okay. Just so we know. Just so we know. By the way, 90% off at Apex. Finally. Today and tomorrow only. Today and tomorrow, 90% off Apex. I know many of you guys hate Apex, but I know also many of you guys were waiting for a sale. Today and tomorrow is 90% sale with Apex. So 90% off. And Bulenox hasn't updated their codes yet. Okay. Sam, the sale is only until tomorrow. Until the 3rd, sorry, so until Tuesday evening, basically. Until Tuesday evening, the sale is on. So Monday and Tuesday, 90%. Okay, I'm gonna actually load up a bunch of accounts at Apex with this price. All right. But the activation fee got a little bit more expensive. It's $125 lifetime. Obviously, it's a little bit cheaper than before. Like it was 140, I think, or 140 something. I don't know. It's now 125. Good morning, Zoltan. You're a good. 15-minute fair value gap down here. Tommy Me, good morning. Good morning. Welcome. Welcome. How much is a... Okay. I'm gonna buy one here. Oh yeah, $16. All right. Mihails, good morning. Welcome. Karsten, good morning. You too, Karsten. I wish you a great week, a great month. You know, best month ever. So, wish the same. Pips Hunter, welcome. Good to see you too, Pips Hunter. How was the weekend? Hope everybody's doing great. All right. All right, all right. Nothing is moving. By the way, nothing is moving. Everything is just stopped existing right now. Judith, good morning. Welcome, Judith. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Nothing so far. I might have to look on gold a little bit more right now. Gold is going higher at this moment. At least it looks like it might want to go higher. Don't know about the rest. I might have to reconnect here. There's a small connection issue. Right, we can. All right, looking forward to a successful trading week. Absolutely. I absolutely wish the same as well to everybody. So obviously we do have Christmas this month, so that might slow us down a little bit at the second half of the month, but not too much. I'm gonna continue to slowly put together some profits if I can. What's happening with gold? Just a quick look, because NQ is clearly not doing anything right now. Just a quick look at gold. Yeah, that's Sunday, Thursday. I'm gonna find. Okay, this is it. We have a Friday high right there, and we have a Sunday low technically, but still counts as previous day low. And we have the midnight, New York midnight level right here. And that's it. So gold, wow. Looks like we have a nice new week opening gap on gold. I'm gonna stay bullish for now on futures. How did this happen? Here. Right here. New week opening gap on gold here. And of course it's repriced it, but it has not been rebalanced. It's not accurate, but it's gonna do it for now. Okay. So at least we have a target on gold. Okay, nothing here. Let's go back to NQ. So the 90% off is back at Apex. For 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Monday and Tuesday is back. I mean, the 9% is back. All right, setting up my charts. Great. Perfect. Perfect. 26.46. Oh, you were buying gold at 46? Nice. You just got it right there. Beautiful. Mo, good morning. Oh, and forget to say SK, good morning. How you doing? Okay, so it seems like this morning gold is doing a little bit better job right now. As for NQ, the more I keep switching between time frames, the more it gets confusing. It made almost relative equal high at Friday high at 21.18 on the micro. I think we're gonna have a new contract rollover soon. But not yet. NQ might want to break lower. Don't know. What's up there? 8. Yeah, there's a small volume imbalance at 41.50-ish. I would say 41.50. If it wants to go there, we don't know. Marco, good morning. 936.75 was my buy limit order, but yeah, so you got in at the market order. Well, it's still a good entry. Zach T, good morning. Holy Grail, what up? Welcome, Holy Grail. ES trying to broke down to 25. Let me check. Oh yeah, it wants to. ES definitely looks like it wants to go. I would say, yeah, there is on the 1 hour on ES. Look at this. Thank you for letting me know that. So this is ES. Look at this area right down there. Bullish order block on the 1 hour. Price is going to gravitate down here, especially because we have a 1 hour fair value gap on ES. Now, what is it going to do for NQ? It's going to pull down NQ with it, as long as ES is going to reprice these levels. So yeah, the mid section of that level, the 25, it's a good area to target, even if it doesn't really, if it does a bounce here, like it goes down slowly, and in this area it just bounces, it's still a good place right there. So not a bad idea. For now, I'm gonna keep watching gold and NQ, and we'll see. Trader J, what up? Everything waiting on ES to go? You think so? Could be. Could be. As I said, I like to see ES go down. The 1 minute looks absolutely terrible. The 5 minutes not so much better either, but I like to see ES go down on the 1 minute. I'm not gonna trade it for now. I'm not trading ES, especially not in London session. but I think it has a chance, a good chance to, you know, go for it. NQ slowly getting higher, just a little bit. Gold feels like it's ready to push it. Where is my gold chart? The other, oh, not here. Okay, here it is. Gotta watch out for this. 2681. That's a good target. Actually, as I just I looked at it before earlier. We have a new week opening gap on gold and futures, and some nice targets. I would say it's a good area. Absolutely. Yeah, gold is looking for buys, I would say, rough, yes. And I like these levels up there. The new week opening gap, this structure shift here to the downside. And also, I like the swing high to the left and these ones. So those are some juicy levels. The question is if gold wants to sweep some liquidity first down here. But I like, if there is a nice setup here, why not? Last retest should be right now. Oh, I see. Notive, good morning. Martin, hello. I need to recharge my phone. There. Better. Better. Looks interesting, that's for sure. Okay, NQ slowly edging lower again. Not too much. Actually, we're talking about like we're talking about a few points of range here since the kill zone started at 2 a.m. So not much to not much to analyze here. But let me look at the 5 minute. Do we have a fair value gap? There's a 5 minute gap here. I don't know how price reacted earlier to this area. Look at that. It actually bounced off from this. 5 minute BC. Okay. So it might want to go down to 35 just to test the mid level again of that 5 minute. Other than that, interesting. The mid level is just at the 15 minute BC. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe NQ wants to retest it. Should drop soon. I wouldn't be, yeah. So I'm not saying that it's 100% is gonna drop, but I like to see NQ sweep some levels, even below the 30s, you know, going down to the 900. That would be great. But we'll see. Yeah, exactly how he is reacting. Oh, thank you. Don't forget to like. Yeah. And by the way, I'm saying this again because Apex does it very rarely nowadays. 90% sale on Monday and Tuesday with Apex. So finally, I know a lot of you guys wanted it, but there's a 90% off going on with Apex. So load up those accounts. Tradeify still has the Black Friday sale going on Monday. So today is the last day, by the way. You can get up to 65%, but you have to use BF as a code. Black Friday. Yeah, everybody's scared of, you know, all these payout rules. Yeah, I get it. I get it. But we got some people getting payouts, and what can we do? Prop firms are modifying the rules all the time. Okay, NQ slowly pushing it. Gold, look at that. Wow. Gold is just shooting up just like that. Just like that, gold went up. I don't know what NQ is doing, but we're just hovering at the same range. Got your first payout through Tradeify today. Let's go. Congratulations, Sam. Huge applause for the first payout there. Yeah, MyFundedFutures is also very fast on payouts. Profit in 1 hour from most recent high or low. CYNQ is hovering. Oh yeah. We're in the middle of everything. Paul, good morning. Hey. Apex is still 1 day pass, yes, but they increased the activation fee from $85 to $125. Like before, it was $140 or something for the lifetime, but now it's back to $125. Raw, hey there, hey. I guess they don't have 85 activation connected to. Yeah, they no more 85, at least not for this sale. For this sale, there is $125. It is what it is. They see the numbers. That's what we can do. Cheap upfront cost for sure, but the activation fee is a little bit more. Absolutely. For someone like me who blow accounts regularly, no activation fee does not help. I see. All right. Monthly subscription is 135. No, it's a lifetime. Sorry, Raf. I may have said it wrong. It's lifetime, one-time fee. Only one time, 125. Lifetime, only once, 125. Yeah, for any size account. Yes, so every account has a 90% sale. What's it gonna be, NQ? What's it gonna be? If gold is continuing to push higher, well, then NQ might gonna sweep some lows, but for me it would make more sense if NQ would go down to 35. So I might even scalp it. To go for the 41.50, just for a few points. Nothing serious. Trader Monk, good morning. Jolma, hey, morning. Weekend was good. I bought a new webcam. I don't know if you noticed, but I look much better now. I bought a new webcam since Friday. It was so difficult to do the joint stream with Methodical. And my webcam was acting up weird and everything, so I bought a new webcam. I look much better now. I had a 720p webcam. Now I have a 1080p webcam. I don't know what the hell it makes difference, but who cares? Yeah, of course. Video is great. I bought this one. This is a cheap webcam, of course. The only problem I have with this webcam is that I have this LED light here, and when it's dark, you can actually see some red flickering here on this corner of the camera, because this light is actually flickering into the lens here. So I can't turn it off. So worst case scenario, I'm gonna go hardware stuff, and I'm just gonna destroy this LED here with a knife or something, because it's just flickering into the screen here. I mean, into the lens here. But anyway. Okay, I entered the short just to scalp a little bit. I'm just looking for 41.50. That is it. I'm a cheap guy. Yeah. Yeah, right now it's good, but if the room is darker or outside, because there's a big window to my left here. So if it's getting darker outside, or if I don't turn on the lights, you will see a red flickering here on this area of the camera, which is quite disturbing. So I might going to go hardware mode and just do something about that. If I put a sticker on it, it's not working, because it's still the light is still going through under the cover. So the sticker is not helping. I tried it. So no, I tried that, Pips Hunter. I actually I have the black tape right here. I tried the black tape. It's not helping. It's not helping. So the light goes through under the cover. So I think I have to go hardware mode. I'm saving up, Joel. I'm saving up. I look slimmer, right? By the way, talking about getting slimmer, Yeah, Apex is down to 90%. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna drill it, by the way, Pips Hunter. Exactly. I'm gonna pull the small driller, and I'm just gonna, you know, I'm just gonna drill it out. That's what I'm gonna do. Something looked different today, right? So, talking about getting slimmer, I have started my my diet 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. This is my third week this Monday, and I lost 5 kilograms. 5 kilograms. So I was 110 kilograms. Now I am officially down to 105 kilograms. So I lost 5, which is a huge thing for me in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks. I'm not saying the next 2 weeks I'm going to lose another 5, but the goal was to lose 1 kilogram standard a week. Well, I lost 5. So I am quite happy. You know, I'm quite happy about that. 5 kilograms down. If I can make it properly throughout the month, including the Christmas holidays, maybe I can end up December by going under 100 kilograms, which would be awesome. That would be awesome. Yeah, diet into Christmas. Yeah, but I'm gonna do an exception on Christmas Day. I'm gonna do an exception. I'm not gonna eat everything, but I'm gonna eat a little bit more on Christmas Day. Raw, I checked every setting. There is no such thing I can turn it off. I checked the drivers, the website, the owner's manual, everything. There's just no way to turn it off. So I'm gonna have to drill. You can do it before. Yeah, I mean, I'm not expecting another 5 kilograms in 2 weeks, but if I can do it in 1 month, that would be awesome. The Chad coming soon. Yeah. Actually, I realized I put on one of my I bought a new jeans like almost 3 weeks ago because I couldn't get on with my old ones, and now those new jeans are, a little bit, too big. Anyway. Can I have the diet? It's very simple, Maggie. It's very simple. I'm just counting calories. That is it. I was eating a little bit of chocolate. Yesterday I was drinking like smoothies, but I was technically eating a little bit of everything. I was eating meat. I was eating a little bit of bread. So everything. I'm just counting calories. That is all I do. That's all. Like no restrictions. I even had sugar or chocolate, not too much sugar, just a little bit of sugar. Once or twice maybe, and I was eating a little bit of bread for the morning. I'm just counting everything. For example, this morning I'm at 100. I'm at 100 calories right now. So I still left with a lot of room to go for the day. And for example, my coffee, before I put in like milk or that milk powder, or a little bit of sugar. Now I just drink coffee black with one sweetener, with nothing in it. It's just black coffee with sweetener. That's it. Advanced and growth accounts. Well, the main thing is I think it's the drawdown. Let me because I just started out with Tradeify recently. Now I have more accounts. So just a second. Yeah, there is a daily loss limit on the growth accounts, basically. And there is no activation fee with the growth account. So And the advanced account is intraday trailing. The growth account is end of day trailing. Check gold. Oh, should have got into that gold. Look at that. It's just going up. There's no stopping. Man, I was eyeballing gold. My super magical indicators from the future were telling me to go long on gold, and I didn't. Okay, NQ is still here. I might gonna get stopped out from this one. It looks like it. It does definitely look like it. I'm gonna get stopped out. No worries. We're gonna survive this. Oh man, why didn't I take the gold trade? Shoulda, woulda, coulda, right? Anyway. There's a very, very small, tiny volume imbalance down there that I was liking for a possible TP ups right there. That's what I was hoping. It's not gonna go for it right now. It seems like it might just, I mean, it could go down obviously, but first it might gonna sweep some highs. What a shame. What a shame. Exactly, Mo. Exactly. Mo, this is what we were just talking about all week last week. Like, nowadays the Asia sessions are much, much better price action. I mean, whoa! Tori Ducat, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. Yeah, so Asia session, I mean, maybe not here, but last week, Asia sessions were absolutely okay. Absolutely great. Tron, what's up? NQ needs to break out of the recent high and low range. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is right now beautiful. Yeah, just like you said, it's hope mode right now. Or gambling mode. You know, taking a trade here. Man, I wish I would have jumped into that gold. Well, never mind. Give some like. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. If you would like to support the stream, please push the like button and subscribe to the channel. And also, if you would like to support, please use my codes and links. 90% off finally at Apex. I know you guys love it. By the way, we haven't talked about it too much, but MyFundedFutures having a Black Friday sale until Tuesday, I think. Yeah, Tuesday evening. 25% off expert accounts with the discount code and 25% off the starter plus accounts. So don't forget it. What's this gonna do? Singularity. Hey, good morning. What's happening? What's happening? We're gonna have giveaway this week too, guys. We're gonna have giveaway. Last week, we had like 2 giveaways on Friday Overall, 4 or 5 giveaways. Reza Banks was sponsoring like 2. Maybe it was 5 giveaways last week. But this week, it's continuing. So make sure to stick to the channel. Oh my god. It's Monday. Yeah. But Monday is great. Hey, Monday is full of opportunities. You know. Oh no. It's gonna take me out. Do you think most traders should really buy the straight to funded? No. No. I don't think most traders should buy the straight to funded. Especially not the new traders. So even if you're new in futures, so if you have some experience in Forex or whatever, if you're just jumping into futures, I would not buy straight to funded accounts. Get familiar with the movements, with the platform, with the rules, whatever, you know. Oh man, I'm gonna get taken out. So just get familiar, and that's it. And if you're brand new in trading, or like you're just trading since a few months ago, I would still not advise you to jump into a straight to funded account, because chances are extremely high that you're going to blow that account. Okay, this one went down the toilet, right? All right. Okay. So, yeah. How do you enter promo code for PA accounts? Which prop firm are you asking for? Because every prop firm has a checkout page if you have a promo code. I have the same promo code for most of these prop firms except Tradeify. They haven't fixed my custom code yet, but if you click on my link, Apex, okay. So if you go to Apex, let me show you. Just a second. Just a second. If you go to Apex, I put this on here. So if you go to the screen is cropped, but I think you can see. So you select Rhythmic or Trade Await, whichever platform you want to use. You go to this page and you purchase. And this is the enter coupon code, right? So I used to use Methodical Man's or Volatility's code, and you enter here. You can enter my code if you want to, and you just have to, don't click on here because then so do not click here. Only if you don't want to use a code. Click here and here, and you should be getting the discount on the checkout page. That's it. Oh, lifetime fee. The lifetime fee is up to 125, Timothy. They just changed the lifetime fee. Yes. It's gonna, unfortunately, the $85 lifetime fee, it's gone. It's gone. No more $85. They're back to 125. At least for this sale, there is no $85 thing. I mean, they disabled it. If you had a past account from last week, then you might have to write to support that you passed the account on the old conditions. So they might give you a unique link. But unfortunately, it's up to 125. There's nothing we can do about it. Yes, all accounts. 125. So it's still a good deal on the bigger accounts, for example, 150K or higher, whatever. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna actually load up quite a lot myself as well, because I want to pump up the Apex numbers just to have a few funded accounts. So I am definitely going to buy a few evaluations. All right, what is going on here? Okay, I re-entered to a short again. This is just evaluation account. We'll see what it does. Okay, we have a nice pullback. Whoa, Jonathan, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. yeah, Naomi. It's a little bit tricky. So they said, all right, you guys want sale? All right, then we're gonna increase the activation fee. So yeah, it's kind of a trap. This is the previous sale, 80% off. Yeah, no, it's at least for today and tomorrow. So for Monday and Tuesday, I don't know what's gonna happen after Tuesday. Maybe they're gonna go back to the previous sale. But right now, Monday and Tuesday, this is the sale that's going on, Sophie. So yes, I know. That's why it's a little bit tricky. Obviously, it's only considerable for those who are looking to load up more funded accounts. Well, you know, not load up more funded accounts, because obviously it's going to be more expensive. But if you want to make sure you pass a few evaluations real fast. Oh, they used to be down sometimes, Holy Grail. Same thing happened last week a couple of times. Maybe we have to wait, or you can try again a little bit later. Let me check on my end. I know last week happened twice the same thing. Oh, yeah. Maintenance. This happened last week too. This happened last week too, but hopefully they will fix it. Yeah, it's on their Discord. Payment issue needs more time to work out. They just put it out there this morning. You have all day to make purchases of Black Friday session. Okay, so I think they're fixing it right now. But it happened last week as well. Yeah. Do your accounts bought before Apex still qualify? I don't know. I don't know, the Hot Snap Trader. That's an excellent question. It should be, because you bought it under those conditions. I suggest that maybe if you pass those accounts and haven't activated yet, you should write a support ticket, and maybe, I'm not saying they will, but maybe they will send you a custom link to pay the activation fee. That's a way to go. Let's take ProfiTrade, have a similar account to expert accounts, and yeah, we can say that. We can say that, Jonathan. The only thing is that it's intraday trailing on the on the funded account, but it's gonna lock in. But there is no daily loss limit. And the only other thing you have to be aware of is no news trading. That's it, basically. But once you get over the threshold, you know, the daily payouts are absolutely worth it. Yeah. That's what we don't know now. If they're gonna bring back the 85 or not. I don't know. I don't know if they're gonna bring it back or not. Peter, good morning. Good morning. Good to see you, Peter. Apex into Dumpster Tradeify. Wait, the new activation. Well, you know, I would say, Sam, that as the prop firm space is shifting every single month, I'm not surprised on anything nowadays of what they're doing, or what any prop firm is doing for that matter. But it's definitely interesting. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, a special code. Thank you, Alex. Good morning. I advertise ProfiTrade funding. It's up there. I still advertise them. It's right up there. And I still trade with them. Unfortunately, I just blew my funded accounts with them, so I definitely advertise them. It's in the chat, it's in the description, it's in the banner. So T-Bond, I'm still advertising them. I know some people didn't like that ProfiTrade disabled their Telegram, but you know, what can we do? But I'm still trading with them, and I will. As long as they keep on paying people. I receive some messages from people who got paid out Friday as well. So thank you so much, Alex, for using the code. Just got my strat 350k. Oh, thank you so much, Ra. Thank you so much for the support. Yeah, market isn't moving. I do it for the stream. Only I'm not touching my funded accounts, so I'm actually I do go crazy sometimes on evaluation accounts. So right now on one of my Apex evals that I bought. But otherwise, I would not take a trade on my personal account or on my funded account. Not on this price action. It's not for me to trade 50k as if the trade. Yeah. By the way, I'm starting to feel like maybe, just maybe, it would be a little bit, not saying better, but less stressful to trade on a bigger account. For example, 100 or 150k, and I'm just not just talking about Apex, but every prop firm. A little bit bigger room, even if one goes on a losing streak, you might still be able to stop with a, let's just say, with a somewhat normal drawdown and continue the next day. Or for example, with Take Profit Trader, like Take Profit Trader, if you go under the daily loss limit, that's a hard breach, right? So if you go with the bigger account, what you can do is go to Rhythmic Trader and set up an automatic liquidation threshold and set it like on the bigger account, set it like $200 or $300 lower than your, smaller than your daily loss limit. That can actually help a lot, I think. Sarah Lucas, good morning. The new ProfiTrade account seems to be on expensive side for what being offered. I am waiting out till the dust settle. Well, so far, as I said, we have a few people also got paid on Friday. Purdia offering 1 million. Whoa. If request payout tomorrow for ProfiTrade funding, do I get Friday? You should be getting it next Monday. 7 money bag, yo. You should be getting it next Monday or Tuesday. I think the automation is already on with ProfiTrade, so the automated payouts are working. But by the rules, by the original rules, and still that those are the rules that they're going with, it should be every other week. So whenever you submit your payout, approvals are taking up to the current week's Fridays, and then next week, currently they pay out Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So next week, every Friday. Yeah, I think on Friday, maybe this Friday they pay out the previous week's requests, but I'm not sure. Anyway, should be all right. We had the London Open, by the way. Totally forgot it. Let's see where this goes. Okay, so NQ pumped higher here. Gold went down a bit. Let's see where NQ might want to go. We have the new week opening gap. Could go 65. Yeah, could go there. Could go. Ooh. Paul, good morning. Let's go, Sam. That's awesome. 1 week. Yeah, that's like normal. So when you have bi-weekly payouts, and if you're requesting on Monday and you get it next week, so you can count with 7 to 10 days. Yes, Bonbon. The activation fee is 125. That's the only problem. That's the only problem, but the cheap upfront cost is right now there. He wasn't paid, even approved last week and Friday. When did you? When did you send your request, Holy Grail? Last week you put in your request. If you have put in your request last week, then you should be approved today or tomorrow. if you put in your request last week. Or actually not just approved, but paid out until, I mean, paid out this week, sooner or later, if they're still catching up manually. Depending on when you put on your request, because the automation is live since Friday, I think. 2 week? The week before Wednesday. I don't know then. Then maybe you should ask support. I don't know, Holy Grail. That's interesting. You should ask about that. MyFundedNext is not available. Which country is that? I don't know why is that. FundedNext is usually available everywhere. On the evaluation account, oh, Qatar. Okay, so that's something. On the evaluation account, you can do anything you want, Sarif, and on the funded account there is no news trading. 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after the news, so there's a 4-minute window you have to go by. So there's a 4-minute window on major news events. But there is a list about those. So not every red folder news, not every. Actually, they on their dashboard, you can actually have a calendar, I think, and you can see. So they actually show advanced that which major news events are the ones that you should not trade. But on evaluations, you can do everything. Look at that. We're going up. Look at that. Thank you. Just going. Unstoppable. Okay, swept some levels here. There's still one more swing level at 74 and 82. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if this one goes all the way up there. Maybe all the way up to like to the 80s. I'm not sure. Small pullback here. It can go down to maybe down to the 50s. Yeah, down there. Interesting. Right now it looks like it might want to go to the new week opening gap. Hard to say. Now it's going down. Market maker buy model. Who knows? If you look at the 5-minute, it can go down, pick up some liquidity here. Right down there at the midnight area. Look at that. Look at this. It's gonna pick up some liquidity down there. On that 5-minute gap. I wouldn't be surprised. Nissim, hey there, what's up? I took the trade after the Eval break and retested. Already TP? Oh, congrats. Congrats, Holy Grail. Sweep 15-minute low, 8 p.m. sweep. Oh, you missed the buy limit. Back to new week opening gap. Could be. Maybe it's gonna pick up some liquidity down below. I mean, somewhere at 58. It looks like it. It looks like it. Nicely going down there to that 5-minute area. I'm checking on my crap. I need you to break one of my. What? I'm not gonna break any fingers. What's this doing right now? Interesting. Okay, picked up liquidity from that 5-minute gap. So what's it gonna be? Engineer liquidity. Looks like it. Yes, yes, Nissim. There's a 90%, but they changed the activation fee to 125. So keep that in mind. But I'm gonna load up a few accounts. This was macro. Okay. Well, we'll see what it's gonna be at the end. It can still continue up. Look at how perfectly it picked up that that level up there. Okay, now it's going back down. Good or not? Well, it depends on you know, how many evaluation accounts one wants to buy and try to pass in one day. So it depends on that. You know, how good is your pass rate on evaluation accounts, if you want to full port them or not. You know. Here we go. Let's see. Let's see. Uh-oh. Going down again. Is it gonna go higher or not? Ba, 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 da, ba. All right, all right, all right. Seems like it's just not gonna go through. I mean, up to the upside yet. Maybe it wants to sweep lower. I have to set up something here real quick on my charts. And I don't know what's happening with my OBS again. Manipulation. 940. Let's see. Say my name. Hey, D44, what's up? D44, D44. I don't want to break one. I'm not going to break anyone's wrist. I already broke my finger last week. Anyway, I mean, before last week. So. Interesting moves here. On gold as well. Whoa, look at this. Okay, anyway, this was a nice sweep here. The first gap after 930 was up there at 307. Actually, I'm going to keep that in mind just to see if it wants to go back up there. You know, add the different color to it. But right now, this 5-minute gap here might be inverted to the downside. So might have to wait a little bit. Okay, no entry. I'm also looking on gold, what's happening. You have the new week opening gap as a beautiful target for gold, but I'm just not trusting the moves on gold right now. Maybe I'm gonna enter a long on NQ after this. Not sure. Not sure. Have to put on a chart here. And we'll see. We'll see if it wants to go. Interesting how it's going back to that first gap after the London Open. No, I got stopped out from that short. I'm sorry. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, I didn't tell you guys. I got stopped out from that short earlier as soon as it started to go. So I'm actually considering to take a long, maybe go for that new week opening gap. Is this going to break the 72s or actually 74 up there or not? Oh, hold on. I gotta go out. A friend of mine just came here to pick up a package from the garage. I'll be right back in 2 minutes. I'm sorry, I'll be right back. I have to go out for a minute. I am sorry. Just had to talk a little bit. Okay, sir, we are going down now. Seems like it's not going for that first gap. It's going to be okay. It's okay now. I know. I know. But nothing to do with this right now. It doesn't seem to be going for new highs here, so maybe should have gone with gold in the first place. Should have gone with the gold trade earlier. This NQ is just it's not doing the thing that we want. Market's dumping. Well, we'll see how the 4 a.m. Equity open will go. yeah, Tron. That's usually what happens. Let me turn on some music. Mind games, exactly. Exactly. Maybe, who knows? Who knows? At this point, you know, we can look the 5-minute, not so much better. The thing is that we didn't do a sweep lower, but we have the new week opening gap, so I don't know. Malo Legacy, what up? Hey, man. Welcome. Good to see you back. All right. Gotta wait a little bit. To see what's going on. Got your 3K from MyFundedFutures. Yeah, awesome. Dude, let me give you a huge applause here. Congratulations on the payout from MyFundedFutures. Awesome. Don't forget, everybody, MyFundedFutures has a 25% off until Tuesday evening from Starter Plus and Expert accounts. That's awesome, Mono Legacy. I know very good code. So, that's cool. Okay, gold is not really doing anything special right now. Yeah, gold is just not doing anything. And we are still hovering around this 5-minute gap. Let's go, let's go. Just hovering at this. Which area is this? 56, 58. And clearly we have no direction yet. Gold slowly edging lower. And I'm trying to anticipate some level here. It could be a good one, but the only thing I would go for is the new week opening gap higher. And how far is Friday high? Yeah, 56 points away. Not that bad, obviously. But seems like London is stuck in this range again. This is what happens nowadays with London. I don't know why. And now it's going lower again. What is wrong here? Yeah, really nice job, Malo. Really nice job there. That's getting payouts from MyFundedFutures is always a good thing. Okay, seems like this one might want to sweep the lows again. Macro is coming in 12 minutes, so nothing special about that. Come on, NQ, show us something finally. Come on. Gotta show us something, NQ. If it's going down, it's great. But finally, show us a move. Okay, repricing a 1 minute gap here. Well, typical. 5 minute is bearish, will bounce up to our 8. Yeah, good go. 5 minute, I mean, a little bit barcoded, but looks a little heavy. So 935 could be a short-term target. BTC is on sale. I don't know what's up with Bitcoin. 950 bounce, not sure. So Bitcoin didn't go exactly to 100k yet, right? Yeah, because I have this line here. So it's not at 100k yet. And it's in a sell currently. Interesting. So ICT might not have to delete his YouTube yet. Oh, it needs to cross VWAP. Where is the VWAP, by the way? Oh, there you go. There's the VWAP. Crossing a little bit higher there. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, well. Just sideways action. Oh, come on. What's it doing right now? Oh, anyway, news coming in over the next 10 minutes. Well, minor news, I guess. Called the big candle on the right is the daily candle. But it's not the usual daily candle. It's using the New York midnight level as the opening price. It's called power of 3. So if you type it in like power of 3 right here, 10,000 over 10k viewers from 2 degrees, HTF power of 3. And it's a free indicator. It's on TradingView. So you just put it power of 3 and you double click on it, and I'm using the New York midnight level as the start of the candle. You can use it on different time frames, obviously, if you want to. I'm using it only to see the daily candle with the New York open. You're welcome, Cole. You're welcome. I don't have any strategy based on this one. It just helps me to anticipate where are we, or how do we look on the daily, how the daily candle looks like right now. You know, just helps to anticipate the move for the day. Currently, it looks like a doji indecision, of course, and just hanging around the midnight level. So, yeah, it is what it is. Yeah, Bassett is just, this is one of the prime examples of what price actions not to trade. I have a feeling, because London session does it nowadays a lot, that as soon as the London kill zone ends around 5 a.m. ish area, we might see some move. So everybody, the London traders most likely wants to see some move right now. It's not going to happen. The algorithm or the big players might going to wait until New York, if there's going to be anything in New York. Do we have non-farm payroll this week? Sorry. Yeah, we have. So NFP week. Yeah, this is this is actually not good. This is absolutely not good. Oh, totally forgot to update the description here. Yeah, I have a TopStep account, so I traded, but my main priority right now is not TopStep, but I'm pushing it with Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures, and the other ones too. So I'm just gonna load up some Apex accounts and also Bulenox. So obviously I'm trading all of these which I promote, and ProfiTrade as well. But for this year, I want to push more on the Take Profit Trader and MyFundedFutures accounts. Installed plus from MyFundedFutures with experts, several differences, but major difference I notice is consistency rule and payout rule. No, you're Jonathan, absolutely. You're right, absolutely. Consistency and payout rule is the major differences. Obviously, no consistency or withdrawal cap on the expert account. So I also made a video a few months ago. I have to do a new video because it's getting a little outdated because of new rules, but about why the expert accounts gives you almost all of the freedom in trading, except for, you know, the news trading. But otherwise, I mean, micro scalping, let's just not go into small details, but MyFundedFutures doesn't really like micro scalping for going for a few ticks and for a few seconds. But if they see it only a couple of times, once or twice on your account, it's not a big deal. But if they see it as your main strategy, or that's how you're trading, that you might gonna have an email that first they're going to warn you, and then, you know, goes on. But otherwise, nothing special. Oh yeah, okay. That's why you got an expert. Okay, Jonathan. So what I'm saying is, expert is really great. The only thing, you know, again, nowadays is the micro scalping and the news trading. That's what you have to be aware of. But obviously, I never even, none of my prop firm accounts I trade on news. So it doesn't really affect me at all. And I'm not really going for micro scalping. I'm not using algos. So that doesn't affect me as well. Yeah, Tradeify is good too. Now they have a website issue with the checkout page, but the Black Friday is still on. By the way, only Monday. So today on Monday, it's still on. Hopefully they will fix it. The BF code even gives you a better discount than the regular codes. So the Black Friday code. No, no, it's not Serbian. I'm Hungarian, so almost neighbors, you know, neighbors. But yeah, where are you from, Jonathan? Did you check out Brett Simba's new interview? I haven't. I saw that there is a new interview with him, but I haven't watched it. I was very busy over the weekend. Unfortunately, my mother, she's in a hospital right now. We had to bring her to the hospital, but so far she's doing okay. But I hope she will be okay. She wasn't feeling good, so I was family issues, so I didn't watch the interview yet. Yeah, me too, because we were scared. She wasn't feeling good, and I'm not gonna go into details, but we had to take her to emergency room, and she's been taken care of right now, but they have to do a lot of examinations. The doctor said it will be okay. Can you do one starter plus? Yes, you can. Exactly, JP. I think you can, because one use per user. Damn, that's a good question, JP. Oh man, that's a good question, man. I think you can. You know, one expert, one starter plus. I don't know. Mexico, but I had several friends. Oh, from Serbia, nice. And Croatia, love Croatia. Mexico is great, man. Good night, Paul. Good night. Yeah, I hope she is gonna get better. I hope she's gonna get better. My family, so my mother and my father, so they got divorced when I was a kid. So, but they live technically in the same city, so they are like 50 kilometers from me. So with car, if I step on it, I can get there in about 30 minutes because there's no highway, but 35 minutes, maybe 40 if I step on it. But my mother called me on the weekend that she's not good, and we saw what's happening, and immediately jumped into the car and drove her to emergency room in the middle of the night, and they kept her there. But I hope she's gonna be okay. Thank you, Tron. Thank you so much. She is. I hope she's gonna be okay. I'm a little bit. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit scared, to be honest, because the doctor said some stuff, but he also said that if everything goes fine, she can go home, but she has to stay there for at least a week or 10 days. Anyway. Hey, the KVNP 2003. You're new here. Thank you so much. Thank you, man. Yeah. They found some huge inflammation in her blood, and something happened with her leg, and that's why. And some other stuff. Anyway, it's they have to find it out. Technically, that's it. Prasad. Oh, you're the Prasad from earlier. I mean, a few months ago we had the Prasad already. But if you're not the same Prasad, then welcome again. NJ is as New Jersey. I'm not sure, but maybe. Which companies have also restrictions on copy trading, like Bulenox? None. Bulenox is the only one that is having these major restrictions on copy trading. No other companies so far amongst the futures prop firms has come out with these restrictions. Only Bulenox. But it doesn't really matter to me because I copy trade. If I trade Bulenox master accounts, I just copy trade in between those accounts. So New Jersey. Okay, New Jersey. You're not the same. Okay. Or whoever had asked, yes, you can get one expert. Okay. Awesome. Thank you, Jonathan. Awesome. Thank you for the info. I wasn't sure. To be honest, I wasn't sure. I saw that one use for everyone, but one for expert, one for starter plus. That's good. Yes, I'm live every day. From 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard, and usually from the stock exchange open at New York, so somewhat a little bit before 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard. I try to stay for until 11, sometimes longer. So London AM and New York AM sessions. I do take some trades on from 7 a.m. as well in the kill zone, but the stream is usually up before the stock exchange open. Yes, you can, Erkan. So far, as I checked, you can, Erkan. FTT Scott is in New Jersey. Go find him and get our money. Oh man, yeah. That was a messed up situation. I mean, the thing I really hated in that situation is the promises. You know, too much promises. Every day a new promise, and you know, if he would have just said that, hey guys, for a month there's gonna be radio silence and we cannot do anything, that would be bad as well, but not as bad as making new promises every day. I hated that. But kill zone is where the most of the volume is traded by institutional traders or big players. It's an ICT concept actually, which I trade with, but I'm not an ICT cult member, but I trade with ICT concepts. So the kill zone is where the most of the volume is traded. So there's multiple kill zones. The first one, I mean, one of his London kill zone AM is 2 a.m. until 5 a.m. The New York kill zone is from 7 a.m. up until 11 or 12 depending, and there's a lunch hour, and there's the New York PM session kill zone from 1 p.m. or 1:30 to 3 or 4. There has been multiple variations to this, but yeah, welcome home. Yeah, every time I heard Scott talk on Discord, I was like, please take my money. Little did I know. Yeah, man, it's bad. I know it's bad. He committed fraud. He had to sell just last week. Oh yeah, so that's an interesting thing. Yeah, so I know that they have the contract that they can deny payouts. Yes, we all know that. Every prop firm has the same line in their contracts, right? But, and on their website, but they were well aware of the situation like many weeks before, and they were still doing the sales. They were still pushing it like super hard, and he was straight up lying to the camera, to the Discord stream, which I was attending as well. I was watching that stream. Like just a few days before shutting down, he was saying that we are not insolvent. Everyone gets paid. Welcome home. So that's what. So he was straight up lying. Now that's a fraud. That is a fraud. I think almost every country, that's a fraud. Yeah, no problem. There's a Discord called FTT Class Action. Yeah, I heard about it. Actually, um, actually, I think I have the link somewhere. But anyway, there is one. Actually, I don't want to join right now. Because I got joined to the FTT leaked server and I got put into Discord jail for a few days amongst with a lot of other people. And you know, if the moderator tends to do some stuff there, I might not gonna survive another strike on my Discord account, but we'll see. Okay, so we got up there. Gold is still going sideways, but NQ slowly got up there. NQ slowly got up. Well, there's a lot of debate about Apex in the whole year throughout since March when they started to change the rules. Are they credible? Well, at least they didn't change the rules retroactively, at least not that I know of. But I got most of my payouts from Apex. That's all, which is not much, but I'm still going to trade with them. So just exited at the second. Yeah. Topstep is great. One of the best OG prop firms, absolutely at the top. So Apex Rules sucks. Let's go. Well, I'm gonna buy a few Apex accounts for the New York session as well. Well, Topstep's activation fee is obviously like $149, but that's how prop firms are making money. So, got to accept the fact. And that's it. So. Yes, I use an indicator. I mean, not specifically to trade gold or anything. I'm just testing an indicator in the past few weeks. Still a lot of things needs to be cleared on it, but I'm watching gold as well. I'm just picking up gold again in the past few weeks. I was trading gold last time in 2023 last year. Early summer last time I traded gold. So in the past couple of weeks, I'm just slowly starting to pick up gold, small positions, most likely valuation accounts. I was trading on Forex CFD prop firms before, and now I'm just getting familiar with the futures, which is obviously the same chart, almost the same chart. But yeah, just getting back to it. Just getting back to it. Obviously, by watching more than one market, I said it before, it's a lot more risk. Actually, you're doubling your risk. So This NQ is wow. I don't know what the heck is going on with this. Feel like gold might want to go. Look at gold on the futures chart. Not saying it's a guarantee yet, but we have a new day opening gap on the futures at the Sunday open, new week opening gap here at 2673-ish area. Gold might try to push it there. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look at it again. Okay. We'll see. So I can imagine that it's gonna go. NQ for now repriced this first gap from the open. It might gonna go down and test the 35-ish level. Not always. I'm not always announcing it, but I did get some heat about that in the past months. And so I promised and I will do my best that if I see a setup, I'll do my best to let you guys know. Because sometimes, especially in the New York session, when there is a quick move and I just want to scalp a little bit, by the time I announce to you guys that, okay, I'm in a sell here and here, in a few seconds the train is gone already. So that makes it sometimes a little bit difficult, but I would say 8 or 9 out of 10 times I try to announce my trades. Yes. Yeah, absolutely, Bailey, no problem. I'm gonna make sure it cracks the wheel up. Yeah, I mean, they paid out people last week and Friday too. The CEO said they disabled the Telegram because too much toxic people were there, and they didn't have the staff to moderate everything. So yes, I'm still looking to trade gold. That's why I'm going to definitely going to trade gold. Actually, there is. Hold on. I see gold as might be a bullish scenario. Looking for that new week opening gap up there on gold. I took a long, by the way, on gold on one of my evaluation accounts. I took a long at right now at 54.1. My entry is off a little bit. Right, originally intended to go long. And just a second. Just a second. I might even gonna take a long position on NQ as well, which is not good, taking the same direction. Just a second. Took a long on NQ. So long on NQ and gold too. Actually, my entry is terrible on NQ. I have a negative R right now. I was just looking for a 1-to-1. I'm gonna show you guys in a second. Just let me put this out there. So here's my NQ trade. I'm gonna have to. Where is it? Come on. Here. This one. This is the gold. So long on gold and NQ, as I said, 54.1 is an entry. Evaluation accounts. And yeah. I should have entered with 1 mini, I know, but I didn't have the time to find the chart. Reason for NQ long, sorry, is the new week opening gap, which is up there. And another reason that we got rejected from this earlier 5-minute BC right here, which is acting as support. We had a nice rejection here. And also there's a 1-minute gap from here. Now this here inverted, so we rejected down here, inverted this gap a little bit, not too much, so it's not a perfect one. Got down there and boom, you know. So let's continue higher. Maybe it wants to go to you know, up there to the 90s. Not sure. I'm just gonna go with a 1-to-1. As I tried to backtest these kind of trades, and obviously it would be better to go with a bigger risk to reward. But in London session, I would walk away with a 1-to-1 risk to reward. But I would not take both of the trades on a funded account or on my, or if I would have a personal live account. These are this is evaluation account, so that's why I'm going a little bit crazy on it. The gold trade seems to be quite okay, almost at TP. Let's go gold. Come on. Okay. Gold got the TP. Now I'm only on NQ. And I might going to take some of it off if it goes down. Just reducing some risk here. Hey Migs, what up? Good morning. You're bullish into tomorrow? No trades yet, yeah. I guess it's better to wait, right? Richard the Beast, good morning. What's going on? Got a couple of MyFundedFutures 100. Oh, thank you, Migs. Thank you so much. Good luck with the accounts. I wish you all the best with those accounts. I think this month is going to be awesome. It should be the best month ever. I'm going to take some risk off from here. Because I just took too much risk on it. December will be absolutely mixed. Absolutely. This will be a great month. Even if the markets slow us down. All right. Sorry, I was just reading. You went long? Too early on the private gap. Hey Camille, what's up? Yeah, sorry, I was actually reading some articles. I'm sorry guys, but I'm here. At least the gold trade was okay. I would hope so that it would go higher, but we never know. Does 1 day pass still count? No, unfortunately. Oh yeah, I mean sorry. Yes, the 90%. Yes. So the 90% evals are still 1 day pass, but they increased the activation fee to $125. So the $85 is not, at least not yet available. Maybe they will bring it back, but so far they increased it to $125. So keep that in mind. Can have a volatile December and something. Yeah, by the way, Sorel, that's a good observation. Last year, December, as I remember, it was quite volatile. I mean, the London sessions were okay, even the New York session, even the holiday sessions were quite okay, as far as I remember. Last December, I remember last December. I mean, we had some moves. I made payouts as well from Top Step in December. So, gold cooking. What is going on with gold? Yeah, I guess it's good that I took this long here. Gold is going for it. Let me check the 77.50. Yeah, so my TP would be okay, somewhat. Go higher, but looks like NQ just not giving in. It's a good thing I took some risk off from this trade. I think I'm gonna get stopped out, most likely. But the gold trade was nice. Hey, Justin, right? What's going on? What makes gold move? Everything. No, but really, gold is unfortunately, it could be good or bad, but it's heavily manipulated by the big players, institutions, hedge funds, whatever. But what makes it move? Actually, any kind of political or economical issue. So anything that has to do anything about banks or politics or even economics. So a lot of things are moving gold. And the problem is why it can be so tricky and dirty is because if even just one member of the Fed says something wrong, or a major politician says something, then gold is going to absolutely go crazy, or sweep everybody, or wipe everybody out. Yeah. So that's the issue with gold. That's why many people hate to trade gold, because it's definitely affected by even just the gossip in the market. And also many people like it because if there's anything going on, just a gossip or something, even a false news can drive gold to places. And it moves fast, and that happens. So it doesn't even have to be confirmed news. Pure gossip can move gold. What's it gonna be, NQ? Come on. You might trade rice. Actually, I think there's some good money to be made in rice, right? We'll see. We shall see. Oh, come on, NQ. Make up your mind. Finally, come on. We have a lot of buy side liquidity. Yeah, I mean, we have some levels up there, almost relative equal highs to the left from Sunday, and we have the new week opening gap as well. So equal highs here and gap. So yeah, it can go, but it's a little bit slow right now, as usual in the past couple of weeks. Gold is onto it. Gold just took the pills and is just going. It's going. Relative equal highs at 61.8 should have just stayed in the trade, right? But it's going. And as for NQ on the 5-minute, horrible. But we have some, I mean, some good targets on the upside there. Yeah, Justin, right. 90% off, but they changed the activation fee to $125. Okay, so the activation fee is right now $125 lifetime. Good morning, John. Good morning. And the 90% sale is only on Monday and Tuesday. So 2 days. $90 off when you can't get a payout is 0 off. Yeah, yeah. We had people last week though who got received who got paid, but from Apex too. But okay, NQ is just not doing it. My trade is going to the dumpster here. It's just not going. It's just not going. Well, what can we do? If you're a mentor to someone without any knowledge or training whatsoever, what would you have them start learning the first year? A friend asked me the question and I was hesitant to say ICT. Yeah, good question. I was starting out back in the days with support and resistance, and then I got to supply and demand and order blocks before I even was learning all the ICT concepts. So for someone without any knowledge or whatsoever about trading, I think trading ICT concepts is not something to start with. So you're saying without any knowledge or of trading, definitely not ICT concepts, because that person has to learn the key basics of the market. So have to start from scratch. Candlesticks, you know, markets, how the markets are working, the candlesticks, the patterns, all that stuff. So not particularly ICT. You know, there's always a good place to start at baby pips, and you know, to start from absolutely scratch. But ICT also has, by the way, lectures about some basic stuff. So about the markets, the market maker lectures, and how the markets are working. But if you're asking, you know, you have to learn what is a candlestick and what is a particular market, or how the markets are working, and all the basics. There's so many things to go for. Yeah, the core content is good, but if you go into the core content without any knowledge of trading, you're not going to understand anything. So you first have to understand the very basics. ICT core content is not explaining to you what is this candle, what is that candle, how the candles are opening and closing, what does the opening price represent, how does it go here and there. So maybe you have to go, you know, candlestick patterns. Yeah, candlestick patterns, something like that. Like, yeah, 7 money bag yo. Yeah, I would go with candlestick patterns and basic market structure. And as I said, babypips.com has a course for absolute beginners from scratch, for ones who don't know anything about this whole thing. Then babypips.com. Absolutely, Migs. What is a limit order? Well, a limit order is, it sounds a little bit weird, but a limit order is basically well, there's an official term for it, but it's just where you limiting your broker or your provider to put you in or out from a certain trade or add to your existing positions. Here, for example, in futures, it's called limit order. For example, I have a limit order at 5 micros at 975, which is limiting my... Anyway, I'm not gonna go on down that road because it's different in Forex. In Forex, there's a stop loss, take profit, but there's different terms to it. Yeah, exactly. FX and traffic, 4-hour supply, demand, and patterns. Yeah, daily candles, market structure. Yeah, baby pips, definitely. There's a link there on the website somewhere, which is a course for beginners or something like that. Beginners course something, and it starts right from scratch. So what is a candlestick? What is a daily candle? What is a 4-hour candle? Hourly candles compared to daily candles, blah blah blah. So all that stuff. Avoid IC. Yeah. Can break it down. You need find areas of interest. Yeah. If you want to sleep, if you want to have a good sleep, then go with ICT. Seems like that ICT doesn't have to. Oh, I got out. Doesn't have to delete his YouTube for now. Okay, we're breaking lower through this fair value gap here. I got taken out, but still in profit. I'm still up $150 on that one because of the gold trade. Okay, so NQ breaking lower. Trading below that gap, which is actually, for now, it was acting as possible support area. It still does in a way. But as it seems like, it's kind of breaking through it. Let me get the weave up off the chart that distracts me. Okay. Trying to shift structure here. Yeah, oh yeah, I need to understand bid-ask orders, yeah. It's kind of like inverting this gap. And now are we inverting this gap or what? Not really. I don't really do DCAing. I mean, when I do, I try to add maybe once, but I don't really like the DC. I mean, not that I don't like, because I do it sometimes, but not my favorite thing to do, adding to losing trades. But obviously, there's a lot of great traders who are DCAing and making quite a good profits. I just don't have the nerves to do that. It's not taking Asia high, making, yeah. I would say that we could go for the 35s here. Inverted this gap so far, this 5-minute gap here, which is, look at how significant it was throughout the session. It feels like it might want to go lower. No entry so far. Nothing. I did this here for a long time. The hardest thing was to get it, and it was, yeah, absolutely, yeah, Michael. It can be. So respect to everybody who's DCing and making profits, because I think it could be really nerve-wracking if it goes against you. I couldn't do it. Obviously, as I said, sometimes I add once maybe to the position just to balance my risk to reward or something. I don't know, but no. But yeah, exactly. So it only takes 1 or 2 trades, and all your profits can be, melting away with one wrong decision cycle. That's the problem with that. I don't even know what to do with this. I wish I was holding gold longer, but I'm still okay with it. But NQ is weird. NQ is weird. Oh yeah, exactly. Bailey. I learned a bad habit with DCA and blue many. Yeah, that's the problem. When I started to do DCAing, like 8 out of 10 times or 9 out of 10 times, I ended up the same way. Exactly. It builds up bad habits, Michael. It can build up bad habits like, no problem, I'm just going to add to it and it's going to turn out right. And eventually, like, actually, uh, if you take 10 trades like with this saying, it's going to work out like 8 times or 9 times. But that one trade, that's going to blow everything. Hey, no problem, Michael. My English is never on point. I heard a good trader once say NQ respects level, ES respects market structure more. That's somewhat true. ES is respecting the structure, and I would say even the levels more than NQ. NQ likes to play some dirty moves, especially here on the lower time frames, but I agree with that. ES is respecting the levels and the structure much better. The problem is with ES in the London session is this. Look at this. This is not tradable. These kind of candles indicate that there's just no volume in ES. I don't like to trade under these conditions. It's hardly moving, and I don't want to be in this. Even NQ is not moving now, so obviously. Could during London and ES. NQ during London and ES during New York. Oh, well, New York definitely gives us better opportunities, better price action. And there she goes. Oops. One target would be down there, the 5-minute busy mid-level, which is also down at the 15-minute fair value gap, not too far. All right, all right. Not much to do. Slow grind here. Not sure if I want to babysit this. Let's see what's going on. You know, after using this gap as possible resistance here, it should go down to that 35 level. At least that's what I would think. But if it's not gonna go, that's cool too, I guess. We're just floating here. No, I don't think I'm gonna do anything with this, so what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna call it here, everybody, and I'll be back for the actually one more second here. No, I'm not gonna do anything with this, so thank you, but I'm gonna call it here. It is what it is. It's just going sideways. I'll be back in the New York Stock Exchange Open, so thank you so much for watching. Slow London sessions, that's what we're seeing in the past couple of weeks and days, so thank you so much being here. I'll be back, and don't forget there's some sales going on still, Black Friday sales, and if you would like to support the channel, please use my codes and links. Thank you. Have a good one, everyone. Be safe. I'll be back for the New York session, and just take care, and God bless you all. All right, see you later, everybody. Cheers.